Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. Today we are making I shut up and be quiet, and you guys can hear and my keyboard goes clickety click. So I'm gonna put my mic right close to my keyboard so you guys can hear it. Alright? Bye guys, because now I can't talk. And when I end the video, when I'm about to end the video, I'm gonna put it on back and I'll say I hope you guys like this video. Yeah. Let's get started. Oh my gosh, this is hard. You hear that? My mic is literally next to that. I guess they can hear it. I'm dumb. Oh wait, I have to shut up. So, alright. This gun sucks. M40 trash. I only roast garbage guns, alright? Like Vindicator, this gun's trash for no reason. It has so bad ratings. Oh my god! Really? Dude, what's wrong with you garbage players, dude? Stupid. Stop knifing me! God! God, this guy keeps knifing me, dude. It's so annoying. It's not even a joke, dude. Let's report King. King left, dude. Jesus Christ, this guy Epic Gamer, dude. It's so annoying. Oh, that's Epic Gamer King. This guy's annoying. Literally, what if this guy's literally a mobile player? Let's check. I don't see no mobile Epic Gamer Ninja. He left. I can't do this, bro. This is so hard. I don't know how to do this. It's so hard. Alright, now it's done. Cause can you hear me now? I'm gonna talk a little bit, right? Cause I feel like talking. That was weird. That's weird. I killed someone with the M40 right before that guy wins. Wins, I meant. Competitive. So close. No, you're not even close. No one was close. That hurt your brain, right? Ah! Oh my god, my little watch. Alright. Okay, let's go, gamers. I didn't mean to take a screenshot. King is a baby. Bro, chill out. God. Salty kids these days. Literally, you're. Oh my god. Oh, salty kids these days. Funny players right now. Funny players. Funny. I know, right? You're funny, dude. You're really funny. Fire rifle launcher. I love this gun. There's no doubt of gun. Joink. Well, I literally one-shotted that kid. Oh, you just mad. You're just mad, kid. Yes, I am. God. God. Oh my gosh. Okay, at least I didn't even go on. No! I'm still on the DB chat. I hate this gun. Okay, that gun sucks. Do I get assist? Yay! I think you can't. You just can't win. Cool, dude. I don't care if we can't win. All I care is people are boss because they try to knife me. That's all I care about. God. Die. God, 57 trash, dude. I hate this gun. Like, good injury right here, but oh my, you should rename your name. God, your name is not even right. Basically, he has 13 kills, and his name is Andrew. Good Andrew, bro. Oh my God. That sounds like a rename changed. King Cow. Claimly clown. What? Are you? What is your? Oh, stop doing that, dude. How is that not a? God, dude, I hate this Z80. Come on, dude. I'm fully charged. Stop. Oh, Luger. My man needs to chill. You know who needs to stop going for me so much? Is this dumb Jonathan guy. Just goes for me all the time. Oh God, this gun. Oh my God! Stop knifing! Jesus. I don't want to. Stop. Oh my God, this gun. I'm new. Cool. Hey, you won't go for me because we both are scared. Ha! Nobody. I hate players like this, dude. You're dominating because you only have. Because I only have the dumb golden knife, garbage can gun. Not even gun. It's trash. I can't even play with this gun. It's not even good. Oh my God! Are you that of a bot teammate? Literally, why are you so trash? You could have just went for the golden knife kill. I don't even want to get a play. God, dude. Cracking a bottle, man. So close. Shut up. You're not close. You're 3 kills behind. I hate myself. You guys heard? I heard your guys' ears again. You're welcome. Alright, let's go. Do not take the L. Win this. Alright. I already won the last game. I don't need to win again. This is a stupid indicator, dude. Garbage gun. Just stop. Yeah, you are new. See? This is the problem with playing with this guy. It's so annoying. He presses the jump control. Jump control. Oh my god, I'm jumpy, man. God, stop jumping like that. Jesus. What kind? Why is that a strat, dude? It's not even a good strat. Okay, this gun sucks. You really thought? Oh! He really thought he could literally knife me. That's pretty sad. Haha, yeah, ho ho ho. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Yoink. Oh my gosh. Me no, toxic. Bro, this gun. At 40. It's trash. God. I literally just said. Oh my god, Mosin. But it literally just made me go back. That's annoying. God. Bro, see? See? Literally, this guy always goes for me. Literally. Stop going for me. God damn, dude. Alright, how's that at? Oh, targeter. Literally, he's targeting me, I bet. Because literally, he didn't see my other teammate. How do you not see my teammate? He was really right next to him. God, why am I getting so much headshots? I shouldn't be getting so much headshots, dude. Okay, the Webley is so trash, dude. I hate the Webley. It's one of the worst ones of all time. Glocky! Whoa, this gun's so good. I love this gun. Oh my god, it's so good. I hate this gun. It's so... Stop being a baby, god damn, man. Why are you just crying on your... Oh, dude. This guy keeps literally crying and not going. Stop crying and literally right. I can't talk. Fight. God, why is there so many people on me? God, dude, why is there so many people? Literally, why are you targeters? Gosh. Oh my god. How? Because you died. What do you mean how? Again? I don't need to play with this trash gun, dude. God, this gun's a meme. Chill out. Stop pressing G with your caps lock. Wait, what? He won with the gun! It's competitive! Randomizer is better, dude. Randomizer. Tuscan. We're not even doing that. Not doing Tuscan. Oh, that's 13 minutes. Hi. I'm gonna be live streaming today, yeah, because I haven't literally live streamed like a long time by now, because none of you guys literally watch my live streams. My jail clapper. Well, it's not their fault, because they're literally. You guys should turn on notifications, because you guys just get alerted. All right. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. I hope you loved the video. Bye. Alright. Before I do that, I'm deleting this trash because you guys didn't even need to remove. Yes. Spin wheel remove. Alright. Goodbye, guys.